Hi, I'm Benjamin Bernstein with AstroShaman.com. I want to tell you about a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to transform your life with an auspicious Gods of Change astrology alignment. What if the most auspicious window of opportunity of your entire life was opening right now? Wouldn't you want to know what it is and how to make the most of it? There's a very good chance this is true. Please give me a moment to explain. In astrology, the outer planets are called the gods of change, and for good reason. When they line up in certain ways, major changes happen. One well-known example is the Uranus-Pluto conjunction. This world-changing aspect was felt throughout the 60s and early 70s. Its radical big change now energy revolutionized people and countries everywhere. The potent Uranus-Neptune conjunction was strong from the late 80s through the late 90s. It coincided with the collapse of the Soviet Union and the end of the Cold War. More equitable societal structures arose around the world. The internet took off, and huge numbers of people started exploring spiritual awakening and alternative spirituality. These were two planet combinations, but what's happening now involves all three outer planets. With the game-changing energies of Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto combined, the effects could be even more transformative. Fortunately, these three gods of change are in a harmonious aspect pattern. It's called a mini grand trine, created entirely from soft astrology aspects. This can make it easier to create life-affirming outcomes. The transformative potentials of this mini grand trine will remain strong throughout the 2020s. How unusual is this? There hasn't been an alignment of the three outer planets this powerful since the 1770s. 250 years ago, an outer planet's grand trine, an equilateral triangle, coincided with the U.S. Declaration of Independence. What about the future? We won't have another outer planets alignment this strong, another mini grand trine, until the 2190s. That's 170 years from now. I was not exaggerating when I called this a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. So, how will this affect you? From now through 2029, this transiting gods of change aspect pattern will work its way through almost half of your natal chart. Any planet or sensitive point between 0 and 9 degrees of any sign, or between 27 and 29 degrees of any sign, will be lit up by these monumental astrological forces. Right now, Uranus and Neptune are also firing up your chart between 24 and 26 degrees. For many people, these will be the most impactful astrology transits of their entire life. These winds of change are already here and getting stronger. Do you want to be blown around like a plastic bag? Or do you want to proactively partner with the planets to co-create your most wonderful life ever? I strongly recommend co-creation. To make the best of this extraordinary opportunity, you'll need to know when the outer planets are stimulating your sensitive natal planets and points, and you'll need your astrological symbols and archetypes explained in plain English. This will tell you which areas of life to focus on to reap the greatest benefit and when to do it. Please consider having me do this for you. I've done over 10,000 astrology readings for a global clientele and have won 3 Best Astrologer Awards. I also have over 100 5-star Google client reviews. To make your reading even more helpful, I'll also tell you about any other transiting planets significantly affecting you, and I'll give you any important insights from other astrological movement systems, such as secondary progressions, solar arcs, and solar returns, all explained in plain English, of course. Finally, if it's the best use of any remaining time we have, I can also guide you in experiential processes that might include spiritual awakening, healing, and more. I'm even running a special on my Astrology Plus readings. For a limited time, you can save up to $150. I'll take down this video when the special is over, which means you can still take advantage of it right now. I suggest that you prepay your reading now. This will let you lock in these special low prices before they expire. Then you can schedule your reading at your earliest convenience. Click a link in the show notes to prepay or go to astroshaman.com/special. Once I have your payment, I'll email you the booking link. To give an example of the actual prices, normally a 1-hour reading with me is $199. I've discounted it to $149, saving you $50. 90 minutes, normally $299, is $222, and there's even larger savings on the 2-hour and 3-hour readings if you want to really go deep. Please email me with any questions at benjamin@astroshaman.com. I look forward to helping you maximize the extraordinary benefits of this once-in-a-lifetime Gods of Change opportunity. Click the link in the show notes to learn more.